The psychology of the first $10,000. Why your brain changes at 5 figures. Number 1. The midnight ceiling. It's 3 a.m. You aren't looking at your phone. You're looking at the ceiling. Your mind is running a simulation of every possible disaster that could strike tomorrow. The car transmission fails. The landlord hikes the rent. Your laptop dies. In that moment, you aren't just tired. You're trapped. Most people think financial freedom starts at $1 million. They think it's about the yacht or the paid-off mansion, but they're wrong. The most radical shift in the human experience doesn't happen at 7 figures. It happens at 5. It happens at exactly $10,000. Today, let's talk about the math and, more importantly, the neurochemistry of why $10,000 is the exact amount that kills the midnight panic forever. Number 2. The cost of survival mode. Before we talk about the $10,000, let's talk about the cardboard cereal phase. When you're living paycheck to paycheck, you aren't just short on cash, you're cognitively taxed. Every trip to the grocery store is a high-stakes math problem. If I buy the name brand coffee today, can I afford the gas to get to work on Thursday? This is what psychologists call scarcity mindset. It actually lowers your functional IQ. You're playing 100% defense. You can't think about a 20-year career blueprint because you're too busy surviving the next 20 minutes. Number 3. The $10,000 brain flip. Then you hit it. 5 figures, $10,000. Physically, the money is just digits on a screen. But biologically, your cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone, takes a nosedive. When that check engine light flickers on, the person with 0 savings sees a catastrophe. The person with $10,000 sees an inconvenience. That shift from panic to annoyance is where your life actually begins. Why? Because when you aren't gasping for air, you can finally start looking at the horizon. The $10,000 permission slip. With 10 grand, you don't become reckless, but you do become brave. You don't quit your job on a whim, but you do finally have the confidence to ask for the promotion you deserve. You do finally invest in that $2,000 certification that doubles your earning potential. The $10,000 isn't for spending. It's a stay sane tax you finally paid in full. Number 4. Identity over economy. Here is the secret. The hardest part isn't the money, it's the identity shift. Saving your first $1,000 is a knife fight. But by the time you hit $10,000, you've performed a software update on your brain. You are no longer a person who is struggling. You are a person who manages. You start carrying yourself differently. You negotiate better because you aren't desperate. You sleep better because the ceiling doesn't look like a looming debt anymore. Number 5. The exit strategy. $10,000 doesn't make you rich, but it makes you immune. If you're at 0 right now, don't look at the $10,000 as an impossible mountain. Look at it as a series of small, boring wins. $25 here, $50 there. Because the person you become while saving that money is worth way more than the balance itself. You're building the foundation. Once the floor is solid, the rest of the journey is just a matter of time. Hit the subscribe button if you're ready to end the 3 a.m. ceiling stairs. Let's build the floor so we can reach the ceiling. I'll see you in the next one.